Hello students, welcome to my channel The Tilok Tutorials. Today I am going to discuss about the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense. Today I am going to discuss about past continuous tense. Okay, continuous means progressive. Continuous means progressive, a progressive action. Okay, continuous means progressive. A progressive action is indicated by past continuous tense. Progressive action. Okay, a progressive action indicated by past continuous tense in the past. That means a past action, in progress. That means a past action in progress. Okay, example: it was still raining. It was still raining when I reached there. It was still raining when I reached there. Okay, example: it was still raining when I reached there. Then what is the formation of past continuous tense? What is the formation of past continuous tense? Subject plus was oblique were according to the subject. If the subject is in singular form, then was is placed. If the subject is in plural form, then were is placed. Okay, subject plus was were plus verb ing, okay, plus object. Subject plus was were plus verb ing plus object. Okay, that is the formation of past continuous tense. So this is the formation of past continuous tense. Okay, subject plus was were plus verb ing plus object. So past continuous tense used to express a progressive action, and a past action, that means a past action in progress. Continuous means progressive. Okay, a past action in progress. So I am giving another example. He was busy in packing last evening. So this sentence expresses a past action. This sentence expresses a past action in progress. Okay, another example: he was going to the market yesterday. He was going to the market yesterday. So yesterday, this word expresses a past action in progress. So the subject is singular and the verb it takes is singular. Okay, and the main verb is in ing form, that is in progressive action. Okay, so past continuous tense, continuous means here progressive action, a past action in progress. The formation of past continuous tense is subject plus was were plus verb ing plus object. Here is the example, he was going to the market yesterday. Okay, another point of past continuous tense is it also expresses a definite arrangement for future. It also expresses a definite arrangement for future in the past. So another point of past continuous tense is it also expresses a definite arrangement for future in the past. Okay, a definite arrangement for future in the past is expressed by past. A definite arrangement for future in the past is expressed by past continuous tense. Okay, example, he was living that night. He was living that night. Okay, a definite arrangement for future in the past, he was living that night. Okay, another example, I asked her what she was doing. I asked her what she was doing. Next, I asked her what she was doing next Sunday. I asked her what she was doing next Sunday. Okay, that means a definite arrangement for future in the past time. Okay, this example shows a definite arrangement for future in the past time. Okay, so we have discussed 2 points of past continuous tense. One is progressive action in the past and another one is definite arrangement for future in the past. Some words are used while we are using past continuous tense. These words are while still at that moment, while still at that moment, then. Okay, these words may help the students to express progressive action in the past. These words. So this is all about past continuous tense. We have discussed 2 points of past continuous tense. One is progressive action in the past and another one is definite arrangement for future in the past. Okay, I think now it will be more clear to you to understand what functions past continuous tense do. Okay, so if you like this class, please subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you for watching.